guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about ways that you can dress up any kind of book shelving or shelving in your home. So as you can see here, they have this beautiful bookshelf, and they have glass shelving here, but behind here, this is actually grass cloth wallpaper. I personally love it because it adds texture and just gives like another dimension to the bookshelf. From far away, when you stand back and you look at this, it is very much a statement piece. So I love this. You can also do this on an inexpensive way with like peel and stick wallpaper because it's such a small space. And so that's another idea that you can also do, and they have that on, you know, Amazon, Wayfair, and all the places that you can get peel and stick. But I just love it, and I think it adds to the room very much, and that is my tip for today, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.